Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change font on Microsoft Forms. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, let's navigate to Microsoft Forms. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to the Forms dashboard. This is where all your magic happens. If you're starting from scratch, you have the option to create a new form. Alternatively, if you want to change the font on an existing form, simply locate and click on the form you wish to edit from your dashboard. Upon selecting your form, the next action is to click on the Styles tab. You'll find this at the top of the page. In Microsoft Forms, direct font customization options are not available as standalone features. Instead, changing the layout of your form changes the fonts as well. This means you have predefined styles and themes that adjust both the visual layout and typographical elements of your form, including the font. Each layout theme Microsoft Forms offers comes with its unique set of fonts and color schemes, allowing you to customize your form to fit the vibe you're going for. Whether it's a formal survey for research purposes or a fun quiz to engage your classroom or team, there's a style that suits every need. And that's it. So that is how you can change font on Microsoft Forms. So that's all for this video. Thanks.